Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been sphere.
Another sighting confirms the link between unidentified flying objects and volcanic areas. This time, it was filmed by a truly exceptional witness. The event took place near Ecuador's capital, Quito. Here, the wind can reach up to 140 kilometers per hour. A family is on an outing in the countryside when something attracts their attention. An unusual object hovering in the air despite the strong wind. Filming the event is Ecuador's chief of police.
Bueno, estamos en la cima del Pichincha, continuamos y hemos encontrado algún objeto que está volando aquí entre las nubes. No sabríamos decir qué es. Podría ser un ovni. Y vamos a filmarle para mandarle a Jaime Rodríguez. Vamos a congelarle la imagen un momentito ahí. ¿Qué creen que sea? ¿Un globo? Pues desapareció la imagen.
That same night, the staff of Quito's Ecuavisa television channel received several calls notifying them of the presence of a mysterious, brightly shining craft right above the crater. The station sent a team straight away to film what was happening. The following is their report, which was later broadcast.
Now we'll go back to the news we gave you at the beginning of the program due to the large number of calls we've received. The peace was disturbed at Quito tonight by a phenomenon that has not yet been explained. Here we see the images recorded earlier. A bright, blinking yellow and red-colored light appeared and disappeared in the sky south of the capital. The phenomenon was seen from various neighborhoods in Quito, and residents, primarily in the southern area, have been calling our staff continually to tell us that they saw it. Ecuavisa's video cameras recorded the images you're seeing now.
By analyzing the images, we can clearly see that the light emanating from the UFO even shines through the clouds. The mysterious object's varying luminosity and its ability to hover proved that it couldn't be a headlight on an aeroplane or any other conventional craft.
Thank you for watching the Parasphere. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical accounts, sightings and disclosure of these sphere UFOs from the past and present. And remember, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.